Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to activate the dark mode on the Xiaomi 12 Pro. The dark mode is a pretty cool feature because it inverts black and white. So if I just open here my messages, you can see that everything which is written is black and the rest is white. So it's great if you are outside and the sun is shining and everything is great. But if you are in a dark environment, it's not so good for your eyes because it's very light, and because of that it will not be so good for your eyes. So you can change this, how it will be displayed. And to do this, we just go here to the settings and we click on display. And here you have the light mode and the dark mode. And the word I was searching was the brightness. The brightness is too high. So here you have the light mode and here you have the dark mode. And when I click on it, you can see it changes. Now we have everything in white and the black parts are black. So this is not only here but also in all of the apps. So you can see here everything's now really good to read if you are in a dark environment. Okay, now we will say, okay, but that's great, but how can I change it from light to dark automatically? Well, that's also possible. And again, we must go to the display and we can see here, if I go here to light mode and then schedule dark mode. And then you can schedule your dark mode. You can change it to sunset to sunrise, switch to dark mode at sunset and turn it off at sunrise. Or you can also change it to custom, turn dark mode on and off at scheduled time, turn on and turn off. So that's pretty cool. Now we have 9 a.m. here in my location, and because of that we have the standard level, but in the evening when the sun goes down, then it will be automatically the dark mode. So that was it, how to use the dark mode on the Xiaomi 12 Pro. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.